Save on Energy presents an overview of commercial HVAC systems. In this video, we'll explore different types of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC systems in commercial buildings. HVAC systems keep buildings comfortable year-round, but their impact goes far beyond comfort. HVAC system performance can affect occupant productivity, tenant satisfaction, regulatory compliance, and even leasing value. Efficient systems can reduce operating costs and support corporate sustainability goals. This is why HVAC systems play such a critical role in the success of commercial buildings. Did you know HVAC systems can account for approximately 40% of a commercial building's total energy use? Every commercial space has unique requirements. Office buildings need consistent climate control from 9 to 5. Retail stores may want zoned control for different sections. Warehouses need ventilation and sometimes spot heating. Buildings with individual suites, such as hotels, condominiums, and apartments, need independent controls in each unit. That's why HVAC designs vary, tailored to the function, layout, and usage patterns of each space, with operational strategies optimized for occupancy and hours of use. Let's take a closer look at the most common HVAC systems used in commercial buildings. Central plants with chillers and boilers serve large buildings like high-rises. Chillers produce cold water for air conditioning. Boilers provide hot water or steam for heating. These systems connect to air handling units and terminal equipment throughout the building through pipe networks. Air handling units, or AHUs, are large pieces of equipment that condition and circulate air as part of a building's HVAC system. AHUs contain fans, coils, filters, and dampers. They are typically connected to ductwork that distributes air to different zones. Rooftop units, or RTUs, are self-contained units installed on flat rooftops, common in retail plazas and low to mid-rise buildings. They provide heating, cooling, and ventilation in one package and are relatively easy to service. Packaged terminal air conditioners, or PTAC units, are common in hotels. They allow each room to have its own independent heating and cooling system. Split systems have indoor and outdoor components. They are often used in smaller office spaces, conference rooms, or areas where ducted HVAC is impractical, providing independent temperature control for specific zones. Heat pumps are often used in newer or retrofitted buildings. They offer energy-efficient heating and cooling using electricity, and cold climate models are tested for efficient performance down to -15 degrees Celsius. Heat pumps can be deployed in various configurations, including split systems and rooftop units. In some cases, they may even replace traditional boilers and chillers, offering both heating and cooling from a single system. Variable refrigerant flow, or VRF systems, a more advanced heat pump system, can simultaneously heat and cool different zones using a network of refrigerant lines. You'll usually find these in mid-size offices and mixed-use buildings. Did you know VRF systems can reduce HVAC energy use by up to 34% compared to conventional systems? Beyond the main system types, every HVAC setup relies on key supporting components to deliver air where it's needed. Ductwork and diffusers distribute air through the space. Variable air volume, or VAV boxes, regulate airflow to different zones in a building. Sensors and thermostats control temperature and provide feedback. Building Automation System, or BAS, is the brains behind it all. A BAS monitors, schedules, and adjusts HVAC operations, often remotely. Choosing the right HVAC system isn't just about the square footage of a building. It also depends on building layout, occupant load, hours of operation, local climate conditions, existing infrastructure, maintenance capacity, and energy goals. For example, an older mid-rise office might benefit from retrofitting RTUs, while a brand new tower could install a chilled water plant supplying a high-efficiency VAV air distribution system. Did you know some HVAC systems, like chillers, can last over 25 years with proper maintenance, while others, like RTUs, typically need replacement after 15 to 20 years? And let's not forget cost. Purchase and/or replacement costs, energy costs, and long-term maintenance costs all factor into the decision-making process. As a facility professional, you don't have to be an engineer, but you do need to understand your system. Knowing which equipment you have, how it operates, and what controls are in place are essential for diagnosing comfort issues, managing energy and maintenance costs, planning capital upgrades, and responding to tenant concerns. When you understand the basics, you can ask better questions, make smarter decisions, and prevent costly problems before they arise. Did you know unresolved HVAC problems, especially complaints about being too hot or too cold, account for approximately 80% of tenant comfort issues, making HVAC one of the top causes of tenant dissatisfaction in commercial buildings? Commercial HVAC systems may seem complex, but with the right knowledge, you can take control. In the next video, we'll show you how to identify real-world opportunities for improving efficiency and reducing costs. Get incentives up to 50% for HVAC upgrades. Visit saveonenergy.ca/retrofit.